Yo, what's up guys? Just trying out the new setup right now. I'm pretty damn sure the camera is a bit too low. I'm pretty sure it's really low. Like all you're probably seeing is the motorcycle, if I'm not mistaken. Also, the reasons why I'm not wearing my gloves is because I left them outside and I forgot about it and now they're wet. I'm basically squidding it today. I'm wearing shorts and shit. I just want to do a quick test ride. But so far this helmet is pretty quiet. Wind is very quiet. I'm gonna go on the highway and try it out. So if you're wondering what helmet I got, I posted it on my Instagram. It's a HJC CL-17. It's like the only helmet that would actually fit my head. It's a 4XL, just so you guys have an idea how big my head is. Yeah, I know, pretty damn big, right? It's all good though. But yeah, so far I like it. It's so much more quiet than my LS2. And the setup I got with the camera and the Senna is so clean. Like there is no wire. You'll see if you look inside my helmet, there's like 0 wires. But yeah, it's pretty clean setup. But I think I gotta go buy some extenders for the GoPro because they're looking too low. The camera's looking too down. I have a feeling just by looking at it, I'm going to need to extend it facing up. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Also, do you guys hear my breathing anymore in this kind of setup? I know in my old setup, it always sounded like I was out of breath. You know? But that's because the mic was set up right in front of my mouth, right beneath my nose, so you'd hear all my breathing and stuff. But where it's set up right now, it's like near my cheek. So I think it will sound better. You won't hear my breathing. Let me try breathing right now. I did that really hard. I don't know. For fun. Sound like Darth Vader and shit. Also the fog on this helmet, like it came with a pin lock ready visor, and it came with a pin lock too, but I didn't install it. So far the fogging is as soon as you open it up a bit, fog is gone, and that's without the pin lock installed. I like this helmet so far. It's pretty nice. I gotta try the highway now, see how windy it gets. I also, like, as soon as I got the helmet, at the store, the guy, they told me I want to get like a black visor, you know, because it only came with the clear one. Like, no, it didn't come with one, you know, because the helmet's too big. So I wasn't really too sure about what he said. Did my own research. I went to fort9.com and I saw that they did have visors, and I got the mirror one, the silver mirror one. Looks pretty dope. They had a gold, they had pink and blue, and the regular you know, black ones. So I like the silver one because my bike is gray, and I was gonna get gold at first, but I think silver matches more with me and my bike. Black, you know, black and silver, black, gray. So yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Yeah, there was the visors they had. I picked the silver one because my bike, she's black, and the color of the tank is gray, so you know, matches more instead of the gold. And man, Fort9, when you order something from them, I ordered it like when I ordered Monday, I got the visor the next day. It was super quick, man, like no joke. I would order from them in a heartbeat again for sure. I called them too to make sure that the visor would pay. The guy's like, yeah, for sure, you know, if it didn't fit you, I could always return it. Very good customer service. So yeah, get 5 stars from me. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go on the highway, test this helmet out, see how loud the wind is compared to my other helmet. Alright, I'm on the highway. The wind, not so bad. Let's go to like 110, 120. And I can actually hear my music still. So that's a plus. I don't know if you guys can hear me well though. Let's see. Let's hear it. Alright, I'm at 120. Alright, music's still good. Alright.